Sheila's in Northern California. It looks like you're looking for a medical director for Botox and derma fillers. I'm not quite sure what the question is, but I'm assuming she wants more information on a reasonable, like what are the terms that you can expect in Northern California to pay a medical
Yep.
director?
You know, that's a long answer. I'll give you guys a summary version. Medical directors cost, I'd say, a low of $500 a month to a high of $1,000 a month based on the type of person, whether it's an MD or DO or nurse practitioner. It's a monthly fee you'll typically pay for them just to be a signing party that delegates permission for you guys to do what you do. So if you're not a doctor, if you're a career changer, a laser tech, an esthetician, a cosmetologist, an injector, a laser tech, you have to have that signing party called a medical director. If you don't know how to find one, if you don't have any friends that are, I mean, the easiest way is find a friend of a friend who's a doctor, see if they want to do the deal. If you don't have any connections at all, the next best way is to just simply go online to google.com where you live. So let's say you live in Dallas, Texas. Type in Dallas, Texas med spas, Dallas, Texas Botox, Dallas, Texas laser hair removal. You're going to have 100 locations that come up in front of you that are doing the exact same thing that you're stepping into. And all I got to do is go on all their websites, and I bet you 50% of those will list who the medical directors on the website. And you can simply reach out to them on their Instagram, on their Facebook, or LinkedIn. Say, hey, you know, love to chat with you. I know you're a medical director already. You probably know the gig. You know, it's, you know, easy money. You get paid your $1,000 a month, and you're just, you know, you're just a figurehead. You know, I'd love it if, you know, we can chat about you possibly be my medical director too. The ones that don't list on their website, you can easily call any med spa. Say, hey, you know, my name's Lewis. I'm thinking get a treatment there, but you know, I like to make sure that they have you guys have you know, a reputable medical director. What's the name of your medical director? Because that's really important to me, even though it doesn't matter. But then they'll give you the name. Then the same way you look it up, you send them a message on Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and you're good to go. I find that's always the quickest way to land a medical director, even as somebody who's a complete stranger. But I started you guys 18 years ago. I knew nobody, and it wasn't a world of emails. It was a world of faxing, believe it or not. So I sent out like 500 faxes to derms in Arizona, asking to find a medical director because I thought you had to be a derm, a plastic. I was an idiot. I didn't know anything. It doesn't matter. You can have somebody who's a week out of medical school, who's, you know, an OB-GYN or an intern. It doesn't matter what type of doc. It doesn't matter what they are. But that's how I found somebody initially, just blindly sending out faxes and got somebody who's excited to be part of this industry.